So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions.
Hello, this is Derek with Weingartz, and today we're going over the John Deere X300 Series lawn tractor operations. The mower we have here today is the X354, which comes equipped with a 21.5 horsepower V-twin engine, as well as a 42-inch Excel Deep mower deck. Some other notable features is a 4-wheel steer that increases maneuverability around tight turns and the extremely nice digital display. Before starting the mower, let's go over a few visual checks. First, you want to check the gas. To check the gas on this mower, you simply turn the key into the on position, and then the digital display will pop up the gas gauge. Next, you want to check the oil level and add oil if needed. Now check all 4 tires for proper air pressure, and be sure to clean any debris from the mower deck. We have a few quick safety reminders before starting the mower. Always have proper ear and eye protection. There are never any passengers allowed. Always be cautious on hills and avoid steep inclines. And always be aware of your surroundings before starting the mower. And always be sure to turn the mower blades off before getting off of the mower. So now let's go over some standard operations of the mower. First, you'll notice a total of 4 foot pedals. There'll be 3 on your right side and 1 on your left side. The foot pedal on your left side is your mower deck lift. So you can simply raise the mower deck up by pushing in that foot pedal, and then you can lock it into the transport height by using the deck lock located on the operator station just below the throttle. And then once you get that mower deck locked in the transport height, you can change the dial in the middle of the operator station to the height of cut you wish to cut at. Now you can push the foot pedal assist back in and unlock the mower deck lock, and then the mower deck will drop to the height you wish to cut at. Now the 3 pedals on the right side. The top pedal is going to be your brake. To start the mower, you must either fully push in that brake or engage the parking brake by fully pushing that brake lever and pulling up on the brake lever on the operator station. This mower is equipped with a hydrostatic transmission, so the bottom 2 pedals are simply your forward and reverse pedals. The pedal on the left side with the upward arrow is your forward pedal, and the pedal on the right side with the downward arrow is your reverse pedal. Now we're ready to start the mower. First, you must make sure that yellow PTO switch is in the off position. Next, you must engage the parking brake by either pushing the brake all the way in or lifting up on the parking brake on the operator station. Now you want to fully engage the choke by pushing up on the choke lever and turn the key until the mower starts. Once the mower starts, you can let go of the choke lever and that'll automatically return to the running position. Before turning on the blades, make sure to fully engage the throttle. This mower is equipped with cruise control, so if you have a really long stretch of grass to mow, you don't have to hold on to that pedal the entire time. Once you get a nice controlled speed, you want to simply push in that cruise control lock located on the operator dash. And to get out of the cruise control, you simply push up on the forward or reverse pedal. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website at www.weingartz.com or feel free to stop by any of our store locations. We sell John Deere at our Utica and Farmington Hills store locations. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day. Weingartz.